Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So we finally got in the eye hooks. As you can see right here, this one fell out when I was twisting it in, so I didn't have the tools. My coworker had it, so I didn't get to put that one back in. But anyways, I went around and put in all the ones that we did have. So this is what it's going to look like on the exposed concrete floor here with no insulation. The light's gonna hang off of that with monkey arms, which is basically like a little V. It's gonna hang there and then clip into the light. And then over here, as you already know, we have the all threads in the ceiling and the drop-in anchors. And then I just screwed those in with the nuts that were already on there. I forget the name. I apologize. The all thread couplings, I think, something like that. So I just screwed those in, and then I went around at the same time and leveled these out, because not all the holes are exactly perfect. So if the hole's crooked at an angle, you have to bend the rod back and make it level both ways, so this way and that way, so it's level this way and that way. And then I also worked on finishing up these MC boxes. I didn't really have to drill anything today, so that was nice. So I just stuck the wire in the boxes and also got the double barrel connectors finally. So got to make up all the boxes except the home run box, I believe. But we still have to run the MC over the parking garage. So from here, my coworker was working on the ramp all day. So as you can see, we got the we have 3 sets of lights. I don't know if I mentioned that yesterday, but there's 1, 2, and 3 down there. So he was working on drilling the holes for the rods and the boxes. And I did forget that this was exposed ceiling right here on this side, because upstairs there's giant open area, so it doesn't need to be insulated. So there will be an exposed fire alarm right there. I already knew that, but then I forgot that this part was exposed as well, because there was no lights here, and then I kind of forgot that there was lights over there. But anyways, he's working on piping that out across, so that's got to get piped. Because it's exposed, it's got to get piped back to this box, so it's not too big of a deal, instead of just running MC. So for these ones over here, just running MC because it's going to be in the insulation. So the insulation starts from these columns all the way down to these columns right there. So anyways, got to run the MC between each box is there. But he pretty much got most of these done with the, you can't really see those ones, but the boxes and the hanging anchors. So over here, there was a box with 4 right there, and then this one over here with the home run. So there's 4 wires in this one right here, plus the home run, so that makes it kind of 5. So I might have to add an extension on that down the road for box makeup space. But anyways, that pretty much wraps up my day. It was super simple, just to go around screwing in these eye hooks, and leveling out the rods, and also sticking all the last of the wires in the boxes and making them up, or not making them up, but just getting them into putting the connectors on, put them in the box, and then shoving the wire up there, except for this home run box, because we still got to pull the wire through. Other than that, that's pretty much wrapping up my day. Loud noises. But anyways, at the end of the day, the last 15 minutes, I went upstairs. I'm going to be going up to the 4th floor tomorrow for the next foreseeable future. Pretty much done on this 3rd floor for now. We don't have any MC wire. We ran out of MC wire like a month ago, but we never got any more. So have to grab some more MC for these last 12 lights right here. Or actually the 9 lights, because the last row is exposed. So anyways, done here on the 3rd floor for now. Maybe my coworker will finish working on this, but I'm not sure. But we'll be upstairs piping again on the 4th floor, so that'll be 1/2 inch for the lighting and the HVAC units and something else maybe. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up my day. I was up way too late last night. I got like 3.5 hours of sleep, if that. And anyways, I cleared off like 10 gigs off my phone for storage. So now I can record for as long as I want to. And anyways, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Still gotta clear off a little bit more when I get home, another 30 gigs. I got like 2.5 years of pictures I gotta take off. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna drive by my house later and hopefully go to the bank and get some more videos for you guys. So make sure to stay tuned. See you guys back here soon. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Click the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams, and check the description for anything else. God bless, guys. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.